Poetry and Prose about Prayers and Hymns by Unicole Unicron of Unicult. Litanies. Some questions have the same answer. Improvement is a possible future. What does it mean that it will be better? What occupies your time as if you are its worshiper? It is not so easy to find the personal in culture. Focus less on the negative and produce more. Society is more manipulatable if it focuses on pleasure. Psychology is something with us as a director. Externality will not answer everything, so we turn to the interior. Liminality is transcended. It's so willed by the Creator. Spirituality is the only way some things are clear. Presently, ideal situations are near. The time is now for what is beyond the standard order. Contentedly, we don't even have to be the actor. Divinity is the bestower. Perfecting is when we allow it here and there. As above, so below. Leading and following unite in our coven. Show some care and be not craven. The hereafter and the here will be differently known. Magic is the shift in attention. What is your intention? Stick to your selection. Something is awaiting manifestation. Among the universal, bring about individuation. External control has been preventing realization. Value finds its ostension. There is the law of repulsion. How does that ready actualization welcome those of different psychology and material situations? And that is my comment. And ostension is bringing something out. A lot of people don't know that word, so I think I should point that out. By shift in attention, the changes in consciousness, deliberate changes in consciousness is a definition of magic. I prefer the art and science of religion thing. Of course, people don't know what religion is. Religion is a relationship with all, basically. It's not just, some church or something like that. Spirituality is sort of seen as a synonym for that. Yeah. I think I said it right. Anyways, if you have any particular experience or understanding of this material, either what I just read or the book itself, practice of it, feel free to comment. Whether you're for or against Unicole Unicron or Unicult, I still leave my comments open and the Facebook group open. The Responding to Unicult Facebook group was put forth under the intention that it was going to be more tolerant and more like what Unicult is advertised as. I mean, other than the, that video on Unicole Unicron channel that says, oh, you could interact with me as part of membership, which turns out not to be true.